Alright guys, so I just got my wheel set up, my new wheel set up, put on the Ct4 Blackwing. For this video, I just wanted to announce the new collaboration that I have with Fitment Industries. Shout out to Fitment Industries. Shout out to Anna from their team for getting me set up with this new set of Rohana 19-inch wheels. I love the look. I really wanted to go with bronze wheels for this setup, and I'm also going to try to get my emblems wrapped in bronze, so it'll be black on bronze. But yeah, this is the new setup. So yeah, I like it a lot. Initial thoughts are that I am gonna need to get spacers in the front. So I'm thinking of doing 10mm spacers in the front. If you could, in the comments, let me know what you think. But basically, the reason why I don't like to do that is because in the back here, as you can see, it's definitely got quite a bit of a gap there, kind of like poking out as compared to the front, which is almost under front fender. So thinking of doing 10mm spacers in the front, just to give it that same kind of aggressive look. But yeah, overall, I really love the look. These bronze wheels give the car, it still drives well, feels really comfortable, you know, doing normal driving. I am getting a little bit, just like a very, very small amount of rubbing in the front. But I mean, it's not anything that I'm worried about. Yeah, but overall, I love the look. I love this look. It looks great to me. Let me know what you think in the comments if you like it, and then also just tell me if I should go with the 10mm spacers in the front, or if you think I should just keep it the same. Yeah, to me it definitely looks good, but I just think with those spacers in the front, it's gonna look even better. So let me know what you think in the comments. Shout out to everyone watching this. Again, shout out to Fitment Industries. I will be doing a lot more promoting for Fitment Industries here in the future, since I'm starting this collaboration with them. So look out for that. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks. Hope everybody has a good day.